Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the August Shabby Lane T-Shirt of the Month Club to show you. Do you want to know what's in my bag? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the August 2026 Shabby Lane T-Shirt of the Month Club is here. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing shirt subscription to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what we're going to have in the August. I'm actually super excited that we're getting now into the fall seasons because I love to see what they come up with for like the seasonal type shirts. So coming up, we'll probably get something like maybe more fall or like greens or orange colors. So maybe in another month or two, we'll be able to see those. So let's go ahead and see what we have for August. Every single month, it's a new t-shirt, a new design, which is exclusive to the T-Shirt of the Month Club. But if you wanted to just purchase shirts for yourself or gift ideas without jumping to a subscription, you can definitely purchase all types of designs, long sleeve, short sleeve, all different types of colors, everything from their online shop. I've purchased shirts and I do have a fall one. I'll probably wear that next month to show you guys, but I did purchase a few shirts myself off of their shop to have like some holiday ones. I just love their t-shirts. They're all on the Bella and Canvas soft blended unisex tees, and I believe they go from size, let me see, I don't want to tell you it wrong, it's small. Yes, size small all the way up to 4X in the clothing shirt that you can select. So let's go. Ooh, that's a different color. I don't think we've had like a beigey type color before. Let me remove the plastic. And with the new shirt, the new cards, the new sticker, like everything is all around that same theme. And it says, be your own kind of beautiful. And I'm sure that's what is going to be on the shirt. Yes, but we're gonna look at that in just a moment. So here is the card. Again, same, everything is around that entire theme. Everything is changed every month and I love it. Hey there, beautiful friends. Be your own kind of beautiful. Remember to take time for you. Self-care is not luxury. It is a necessity for survival and balance. You are amazing, kind, and beautiful, and worth the extra time. So whether it's a spa day or a simple walk outdoors, take time for that moment. That is from the owner. I love that. And then we have 2 cards that normally comes with the shirt subscription. And here is the 2 cards. I love that butterfly. Be your own kind of beautiful. And then be pretty strong, pretty brave, pretty kind. And look at how beautiful the colors are. So there's the 2 that go with the shirt. Then we also have a free item that's always inside of the t-shirt subscription. It could be anything under the sun. It could be jewelry. It could be an accessory. This month we have this right here. Definitely for self-care, because you can use this when you're doing your self-care routine. That is awesome. Oh my gosh. And look at the card that's with the free item. Take care of yourself. And it has a little ducky in the bathtub with those beautiful colors. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. So doing your self-care to take care of yourself, you can use this to keep your hair back. That is so cute. I love the little bright colors on it too. So there you go. All right, now let's go with the t-shirt. I'm super excited. Again, so we have like this beige colored shirt. And it says, be your own kind of beautiful. I love that. You have the flower starting out, the heart ending in the word, just super pretty. So this one was from a few months back. And again, I just love these tees. It's like pretty much what I live in almost every single day. So I love them. But if you want to see this one on, you want to see this one on? Here you go. There we go, you guys. Oh my gosh, again, I love like this little beige type color. Definitely, I don't think I have anything like that. I love the saying, love the shirt. So there is what we got for August. You have this beautiful t-shirt and a self-care headband. you guys. So that is what we got for the August box. What do you think of the t-shirt for this month? What do you think of the free item for this month? Definitely going with that whole routine with the self-care, that theme. I absolutely love that. If you would like some more information about the pricing on this one, I will let you know right about now. They have two different types of subscriptions. They have the t-shirt of the month club, and then they have one that's like their boutique monthly that has just like their boutique products, no shirt whatsoever. So if you do the t-shirt of the month club, the one that they send to me, it's normally $24.95, but currently on sale for $19.95. Again, you can choose from small all the way to 4XL. As you go to the higher sizes, like the 2X, 3X, 4X, they might go up like $1 or something like that for the extra sizes because they are more expensive. But it starts at $19.95 for the month. If you would like to do a 3-month subscription, it'll bring it to $73. A 6-month subscription would be $147, and a full 12-month prepaid subscription would be $294 for all 12 shirts and 12 free items as well. If you want to do the boutique monthly, there's two options with that one. They have the boutique bag VIP, which is $29.99, or the deluxe boutique bag VIP, which is $39.99. So you have those two different options if you don't want the t-shirt, or you can do the t-shirt and do month per month, 3 months, 6 months, whichever, and you can cancel at any time. But again, you can shop their shop anytime and get any of their amazing shirts, designs, colors, all of that stuff. They even sell non-shirt stuff, like they have some household items, some decor. So it's not all shirts, but they have a whole lot of shirts too. And if you would like to use my code is SheCrafty20, and that will save you 20% off if you are interested. So everything will be listed in the description box for you to pop on over and check them out. Use my code, save that money. Everything will be there for you. If you would like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.